Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. It's Juju, and we have week 3 of Miss Miller's Collage Challenge. So our weekly collage challenge items is something you take on a picnic, an image from a magazine, text other than English or your native language, something torn, something you would place on a bookshelf. The bonus is something found in a school bag. So this is what I did. This is something you'll take on a picnic. It's the napkin there. An image from the magazine is the hummingbird. Text other than English is this here, and I believe that is French and a German. I don't know. It's not English. Y'all tell me in the comments. Something torn. So I tore this here and that. And I tore this off of flower thing. Something you'd put on a bookshelf. That is the music paper behind there. Music book. And the bonus is something you'd find in a school bag, and that is my bow for my little hair bow. And that is it, my chickadees. This is our collage for week 3. I think that's pretty good. You tell me what you think in the comments. Be honest, I can take it. All right, y'all have a good one. Bye. See you on the next go round. Loves and hugs. Mwah.